My dear brown skin girlies, would you believe if I tell you this makeup look was created with just 5 products in 5 minutes? That sounds amazing, right? So let's see how would I do. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Janani. I love creating videos related to beauty and fashion. So as you all know, let's create this everyday makeup look with just 5 products in 5 minutes. Without any further delay, let's get into the tutorial. I've completed my skin prep with a good face wash, moisturizer and a sunscreen. Now let's move on to the makeup. So the first step is a skin tint, which is really good for everyday use, and I am using this skin tint from L'Oreal Infallible. So I just usually don't use primer and orange corrector for an everyday purpose, but if you have deep pigmentation or deep dark circles and to make you look good, you can definitely use an orange corrector for everyday makeup. So let's just dive into the first step. So I'm using this L'Oreal skin tint because it's very perfect for everyday makeup. It's very lightweight, and then blend it with a brush. You can also use a makeup brush to give its fullest coverage. I'm using, can you see the shade match? It's so good. It provides a good natural finish, a good light to medium coverage if you build it, and I really love this for everyday makeup. And to be honest, for my oily skin, I really love this skin tint. It provides a good even tone finish. As you can see, yet a natural looking skin, which I really love. It doesn't even look like I have worn a makeup whenever I use it. It just looks natural but more better version of my skin. It looks like that. So it's a very good skin tint. I really love this. So this is how it looks like after just using one layer of skin tint. It looks super natural and even toned now. Though there's slight pigmentation on my mouth and the size of my cheeks, I'm fine with it for everyday makeup purpose. So if you have oily skin, this skin tint is just so good. Now, speaking about concealers, yes, if you want a much more coverage, especially under your eyes, you can definitely use a concealer. But as today's video is a 5 product makeup routine, I'm gonna skip the concealer and now let's move on to lip and cheek tint. I'm using this Mars Cosmetics lip and cheek tint, and this is such a beautiful flattering shade. Even if you have deep skin tones, you can definitely use it. As you can see how pigmented it is. So I'm just gonna use just one dot on my cheeks, one dot on my eyes, and then just use it as a lip tint as well. Can you see? It provides a very beautiful very pink tint, so it's really beautiful. And even if you are deeper than me, this is gonna suit you so well. It's very mild. You can even build the pigment, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is. If I need, I can just touch up later. Now I'm gonna just blend it by using my favorite concealer brush. Yes, it's a concealer brush, but I also use it for my blush as well. Can you see how beautiful the color is? It just leaves a flush of color, which I really love. It's natural looking and it looks so good. Can you look at that difference? I really love this. I'm using the same brush to blend it on my eyelids as well. Just give a tint of color, nothing much. So just roughly blend it on your eyelid and it looks like a good monochrome look. The third step is to set the entire base makeup with a compact powder. You can use either a loose powder or a compact powder, but for today I'm going to use this Forever 52 compact powder. It provides much more coverage than loose powders. For this purpose, whenever you don't use a concealer step, just use a skin tint or a tinted sunscreen, you can use this compact to give a much more coverage and a much brightened look. So I'm just going to use this puff and I'm just gonna set my entire base makeup. When you see, it just instantly mattifies, it brightens, and it provides a much better coverage. I'll just apply on one half of my face and show you the difference why I usually use a compact powder instead of loose powder for everyday makeup, especially whenever I use less products. So this is how the side-by-side difference looks like. Can you see how beautifully it has brightened, mattified, and set my base makeup so well? That's why I really love this compact powder. Next is for eyebrows. Without defining your eyebrows, your makeup look or your look wouldn't look complete or look good. So I'm just going to use an eyebrow pencil to just groom my eyebrows now. I'm using this Mars Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. It's the Micro Precision eyebrow pencil. It's just so good. It has good pigmentation as well. Even it is black, the way you handle it is how the outcome is. So you can just use short strokes very gently. Do not press it. Very gently use short strokes to groom your brows. So this is how it looks like. Unfortunately, my eyebrows, I haven't groomed it recently for the past 10 days. So there's some hair over here. So it doesn't look too groomed today. So just ignore that. Now you can just brush out using the spoolie to remove all the harsh lines. As you can see, I'm not satisfied with my eyebrow look today, but please just ignore that. So yeah, next time I'll come out better. Now, lastly, without this, our Indian makeup wouldn't complete at all. Yes, it's a kajal. So I'm using this Fair Beauty Gel Kajal. This is really good. I use it both on my tight line as my eyeliner. And for everyday purpose, it's really good, long lasting, even great for sensitive eyes. So I'm going to use this black kajal as usual. Without kajal, I wouldn't end my makeup look, or I wouldn't go out because I would look like I'm a sick person without kajal. So I'm just going to use it on my tight line. I'm just gonna draw a very thin everyday kind of eyeliner, not a winged eyeliner, just roughly. I'm just gonna outline it. I don't usually talk while I'm doing an eyeliner, so I'll just complete this and I'll be right back. I'm done on one side. Can you see that difference? That pitch black, it's transfer proof once it's set, and it's smudge proof, it's long lasting. So this is the one Fair Beauty Kajal that I absolutely trust for everyday makeup. It's just so good. So I'll just complete this set also and I'll be right back. This is the completed look, and I hope this 5-minute 5 product makeup routine was helpful for at least few of you. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Style Jenny, and if you like to watch more beauty and fashion videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I will leave all the product details along with the links in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And until next time, bye bye.